subscribe and give a toom on the bell icon to never miss another update from Team RPS 2.0. Good afternoon or good morning or good evening, I don't know at what time you are watching this video. I am Pritam Sarkar, member of Team RPS 2.0, and just a couple of minutes ago the Raspberry Pi 3 Model B and its screen has just arrived, so it's better I give a unboxing video. First, this one I had previously, which is Raspberry Pi 2 Model B version. This was actually old version consisting of a SD card, a bigger version, and this one is a bit old version nowadays. So keep it aside right now. I have this, and I didn't open it yet because it has just arrived. So let's open it. Even I am just very much excited about this. Right now I don't have a scissor, so I have to cut it with something else. The inside is a little beast. This is it. Let's check the bill for a second. Okay, it costed me $2,994. This is Raspberry Pi 3 Model B. What it is actually, it is a single board computer that we say in our real world thing. Let's keep this packet aside. Now we have only Raspberry Pi 3 Model B, Raspberry Pi 2 Model B. Now open it up. I'm really excited. It's a Raspberry Pi 3 Model B, 1GB RAM. This consists of 8.0.11 BGN wireless LAN and Bluetooth 4.1. Good. Open it up. Very slowly. Okay, it's opened. Is opened. This is it. The Raspberry Pi 3 Model B, the ultimate version of Raspberry Pi 3 Model B. Actually not. Right now it has Raspberry Pi 3 Model B Plus with 1.4 GHz of processor, but it has an ARM Cortex processor with 1.2 GHz clock speed and consisting a RAM of 1 GB. That's very good, and 4 USB port and 1 LAN port, 1 HDMI for video output, 1 3.5mm audio jack for audio video output, 1 display unit setup, 1 camera unit setup, and the most beautiful part is it runs on 5V. Linux, Windows 10 IoT core and many other things can run on this thing with 40 GPIO pins or general purpose input output pins. It's a real beast, and there is a SD card slot for its internal memory. So this thing I have is a real beast. Jumping onto the next portion, we have a screen that I just opened up. So inside it we have this little packet. What it has? Open it up. Actually, even I opened it up. So it was inside that little plastic paper. They gave me a stylus because it's a touch screen and it is a 3.5-inch Raspberry Pi touchscreen. So it will be operating with the Raspberry Pi Model 3B or Raspberry Pi Model 2B or anything if I want to, and I have to install the drivers respectively because it consists of normally HDMI output. So if I have to make this one output, so I have to install this driver onto this SD card or this single board computer. So this is it. Right now I have 3 beasts. With these 2 I can work with this, or even with these 2 I can work with this. How it works? Actually, I'm not setting up the thing, I'm just setting up the hardware right now. So what it does, it has a GPIO pin, female header pin, and it consists of male header pins. So how it will work, it will just get onto it and it will attach it this way. You can see it will attach it through this way, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 14 GPIO pins will be remaining outside. So in this way it will be operating. And there we have a 5-volt input. How can we input? It's temporary. I'm just giving you input. I cannot giving you input. That is, I don't have a SD card or an operating system on this single board computer. So let's jump onto it. I have a power bank through this. It can be powered up. You see, I'm just putting into the output cord of the power board. It will just power up because there is no operating system into it, and I haven't yet installed the touchscreen driver or 3.5 inch driver, so it will not work right now. So I'm just powering up and letting you see that it works on only 5 volt. That's a real beast kind of thing. Thank you so much for watching.